Okay, I'm going to show you here how to make a connection to the MySQL database over on Mudfoot and populate it with your own data supplied in one of the download files available for the assignment. The SQL connections can be created using MySQL Workbench, which is available on all the lab PCs. And when you open it up, you should get the chance to be able to have a MySQL connection. And if you click the plus sign, you'll get the opportunity to be able to create that connection. So if we just create one now, the connection name is going to be the one that I'll use to connect here. So in this case, this will be Nick's Mudfoot connection. The host name is our Mudfoot server, mudfoot.doc.stu.mmu.ac.uk. The username will be the username supplied to you for your MySQL account. Normally looks something like your surname with an initial. Here my username that I'm going to use is Nick Student. Yours of course will be different. And ensure that you make the default schema the same one. That's your collection of tables. You'll need your password, and you can check the test a connection by clicking on test connection. It'll prompt you for the password. In my case, I'd already had it put in before, but you'll be prompted for the password and you should get a connection successfully made to get in there. So remember that you'll need your password for that. Another small point, if you're doing this on a wireless connection, if you're doing this on your laptop wirelessly at MMU, you must go in through the EduRoam account and not the MMU visitor, otherwise the port numbers are blocked for it. So you should have set up a connection then. I've got my two here. And what I'm going to do now is to populate the database with some of the sample data. Now the sample data you can get hold of on the main Moodle page, and you'll see a link that I've got here, useful code to get an initial start on your assignment. That contains some Java code that I'll go over in another demonstration. But also here you'll see the SQL code to be able to populate the database and create the table. So just download the file. If you have a look inside the Finder, we've got the useful assignment starter files. And here you'll see createfilms.sql. And if I just open that just with the text editor, you'll see that basically we've got the create tables instruction followed by. Now we're just going to use that in a second to paste into our connection. So back over to my workbench. And if I connect to my Mudfoot account, you'll see over at the left you should have your username there and what tables you've already created. I'm going to just paste this data in to the query slot there. So selecting all of that, then I'll do just copy it. Oh, sorry, little mistake there. I went up to the dictionary instead. Copy the data, for the SQL and just paste it in. So you'll see there's about 1300 films to be able to put in, and the little lightning bolt says run everything that's in your window there. So when I run, you'll see the parts at the bottom just increasing as the whole table gets inserted. I can check that it's there. If I just clear that window, I can select everything and just delete it, and then select star from films, execute that, and you'll see there that you should have that database populated. This is going to be useful in your assignment to have some demo data to work with.